Foreign feet on our sacred soil. Every tree is a piece of me, from a place that is evergreen, being ruined by the mercury. Only go where the flowers grow. Feed the soul so the river flows. Where it leads we can never know. Way of life for our holy tribe. See the light, it'll be our guide. And the spirits give us better sight. Mother Earth, thank you for this night. Time is water, don't you understand? We've been fighting for the sacred land.